In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a scheduled post in Canva. If you've scheduled something in Canva and plans have changed, removing it from your content planner is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process on both desktop and mobile, and I'll also point out what happens to your original design so you can reuse it later without worry. Let's start on desktop or the web version of Canva. Open Canva and head to the Content Planner from the left side menu. This takes you to a calendar view that shows all your upcoming scheduled content. Find the date where your post is scheduled. You'll see it as a small thumbnail on that day. Click the thumbnail to bring up details about that scheduled post. Next, look for the three dots, also called the ellipsis, next to the scheduled time or date. Click those dots to open a menu of options. Choose Delete Post or a similarly worded delete option to remove it from your schedule. If a confirmation box appears, go ahead and confirm. The post disappears from the calendar, and you're done. A quick but important reminder: deleting a scheduled post from the planner does not delete your actual design. Your original file is safely stored in your Canva projects, so you can make edits, duplicate it, or schedule it again whenever you're ready. Think of this action as clearing the posting time, not throwing away your work. Now, if you're using the Canva mobile app, the steps feel very similar. Open the app and go to the Content Planner. Tap the scheduled post you want to remove to open its details. Then tap the three-dot menu or the Options button you see there. From the menu, tap Delete to remove it from the schedule. If you're prompted to confirm, approve the deletion and the scheduled slot will be cleared. This approach is perfect when you simply need to stop something from going live without losing the design you've worked on. It's also handy if you want to reschedule later or repurpose the content for another platform or date. After deleting, you can return to your projects or designs and use that same file to create a fresh schedule whenever it suits you. That's all there is to it. Delete the schedule, keep the design, and stay in control of your content calendar. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.